Hey guys, Search Exclusive here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you guys can start an email list quick and fast, and show you my 5 steps on how I got started to start creating my email list. And I'm gonna show you after you get your email list on how to communicate with your email list and build a relationship with them. So without no further ado, let's get started with the video. So before we get started on this video, I want to give you guys a reason why you guys should build an email list, for all entrepreneurs. If you guys are willing to go into an online business like YouTube, creating a following on Instagram, or even affiliate marketing or e-commerce. Let's say you guys have like 500,000 subscribers, and you don't know how to contact those subscribers. Oh, come to this channel or come to this and that. My channel got disconnected or got discontinued by YouTube. Come to this channel. You guys don't have that security basically to give out the information out. Even with Instagram, you guys that especially with the new algorithm, they might not even see your post or your story because of this new algorithm. So that's why you guys need to create an email list, especially for affiliate marketing, because you guys are going to be reviewing other people's products, and that customer is not going to be yours. That's going to be the companies that your guys are reviewing for that product. Step number 1 to get started with an email list is to get an autoresponder. You guys could use MailChimp, GetResponse, Aweber. I recommend, if you guys are barely starting, I recommend MailChimp, because you guys could literally use it for free. The other ones you could use, like GetResponse, Aweber, they have like a 30-day free trial that you guys could start doing. But with MailChimp, you have to reach a certain emails, I think it's 1,000 emails before you guys get charged for it. So that's pretty amazing, guys. I use MailChimp. I think it's pretty useful. You guys could also get GetResponse and Aweber if you guys wanted to. So that's step number 1. The second step, the second tip I'm gonna give you guys is to create a content, like a free ebook, a valuable video that you guys could that they never seen before, and that you could give away in your email, and even a webinar that you guys want to show your formulas, or that you guys want to show your following as well, how to create an e-commerce step by step, all the way to the end, or something like that you guys know that it'll be valuable to your customers, to any of these individuals. So yeah, guys, those are the 2 tips that for me, because I'm mostly alright, guys. And these other tips I'm gonna show you in my computer. I'm gonna show you guys how to get started with how to drive traffic, create a landing page, and give you a series of emails. How to build a relationship with your email list. So let's get into my computer. Alright, guys, this is the formula that is usually you guys drive traffic. To your landing page, and then build a relationship with your email list. Basically, giving you guys a series emails. So the first tip on the formula is where to get your traffic source. So there's 2 ways where you guys could do traffic: paid traffic and free traffic. I like paid traffic. If you have the budget to do paid traffic, do it. I highly recommend it. You guys could get paid traffic from Google ads, Bing ads, Facebook ads, and etc. YouTube ads, all this kinds of amazing platforms that you guys could use. The second one is free traffic. You guys could do this through Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr. There's all kinds of sources where you guys could do free traffic, but it's going to take some time. So that's why I highly recommend doing paid traffic if you guys want to see results fast and quick. And yeah, guys, I highly recommend doing paid traffic because you guys could target the audience that you guys want, the age range where you guys want. Pinterest and Tumblr, those are great sources for free traffic. If you guys don't have the budget for paid traffic, go for free traffic. These are the examples. Because I started with free traffic as well, but I didn't get the results I got with free traffic, so I went into paid traffic, and I liked the results on that, which is pretty amazing. So the tip number 2, I already went over this a little bit. Create a landing page. Create an amazing landing page that you guys would like to that you guys will be attracted to. Just don't create a landing page. Alright, just throw it out there and make sure, because your conversion rates will go pretty low if you guys don't get into detail. Make it look catchy, make it look outstanding, make it look perfect, make it where the customer likes to see. Get examples from other people are really catchy with the landing pages. Like I said, give them a free ebook, a valuable video that you guys like, or even a webinar that they would like to attend. How to create a YouTube channel, something like that. Give them a webinar, give them something valuable that they would like for an exchange for an email. The second step is the series emails, where you guys build a relationship with your email list. Give more value in your emails. The key to being successful online is value. Give value to the people who are viewing your videos, who are viewing your content. Send them to your website, a YouTube video, something like that, to give them more value. The more you send out, not the more you send out, not the more you send out emails, but the more you get in touch with them. Because just get in touch with them at least 3 times a week. Don't give them 3 times a day, because then some people will just unsubscribe, because that's pretty annoying. Because I get annoyed by getting 3 emails by the same person each day. So just build a relationship with them. Give value. Once a day, once every other day. At least 3 times a week. Or even twice a week. But do videos in your emails. Show your face so they could have more trust in you. If you show your face, they will highly be more trustworthy with you, because you're showing your face. So people nowadays are pretty spectacle on what they are buying. So just show your face, and just connect with your email list. Like I said before, just connect with them. Connect with them you guys could do with daily basis or once a other day. Just connect with your email list, build that relationship. I highly recommend build a relationship with your email list. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it on my video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helped you guys out on how to start an email list quick and fast. If it really helped you guys out, you guys could hit that like button. Also, you guys could comment down below if you guys have any questions for me. You could also follow me on social media and ask me there at search_exclusive, all the same on all the social media platforms, Instagram, Snapchat, And Twitter, you guys ask me there, message me. I will get in contact with you guys. I have a free ebook guide to give you guys if you guys want to acknowledge that. I give. If you guys want to get started with affiliate marketing, I show you how to get started with affiliate marketing using a blog. So if you guys want to know how to get into that, I'll leave the link down below in my description below. Alright guys, so peace out, and I'll see you in my next video.